This is LatN. Hope everyone is staying safe. This is going to be a how to move video, and we're going to basically begin right here by first selecting the whole building. Next step is select furniture types, selected rooms. Once that's selected, right click again and put furniture in inventory. That'll take a while. You're getting an error down here, servers, because you put them in inventory, they're no longer there. Now there's two ways to move. First is come here, hit this arrow on the bottom, move company, or we could come here, go back to the menus, and click here, move company. If you have a map key, use the map key. All builders, when they build it, should have a map key. Create a map key before you start building. And here we are. Still getting the error messages. We're going to filter all this stuff up. This is my 20 company. The test company I was running is basically 20 teams, no more than 20 teams. Okay, so we're going to go to build, plots. We need to purchase the plots we're going to be using. We're going to use this one. We're going to need this one back here. And we're going to need parking. We're going to build a parking lot there in a minute. Next thing is off plots. Where we build 2020 challenge build. It fits. Believe me, it fits. We're getting a bunch of errors. However, not enough heating vents. Needs to be fixed. When the widget realized that right away, he knew exactly what to do. Order by temperature outputs. Okay. That should resolve that issue. And just as an FYI, if you don't have enough space down here, there is space over here to the left and there's space over here to the other side. But there's no more space coming this way. So there's a little bit more space coming this way because upstairs is a road and we cannot purchase a road. If we needed to expand, you're going to expand to the left. You could expand over here. And that's what I'm going to do. Click in it, right click, merge. I'm going to put a door. Eight border should be enough for here. Get some lighting. And all these items that you see in red, those are items that were inventory from when you inventory from your last. They're all going to show up in red here. I'm surprised there's no lights in inventory. That's it. And the only thing else we need is fence. I'm surprised that in inventory the fence also. And fence on this side too. So there's nothing on. There's nothing on the other side. You could always rent. These you could grab all of them. Mouse. Network down. These you could write all of them. Select all, network them, and just double check here, 0 and 30. We should be able to upgrade these. I can't upgrade it to 2005. We're not only in 2002. And those are not going to bother. So select the 30. I used to know how to spell. Digital distribution. 2.0, because it's our second set of servers. Okay, digital distribution, you're going to find everything that says digital distribution. Move to digital distribution. Take this, shift, up to the top, move selected, and CN. Done. So that's case care the servers. The other issue we had was with elevators. Box elevators is what they're called. Click on this, right click, hit the move, it'll show you. See, this is moving down. This box elevator is moving down, which I don't understand why. Because if we do that again, that's moving down. If we go up, this one's moving up. And if we go up, this one doesn't show, of course, because there's nothing feeding it. But that's moving up. So the problem is here. Now, how do I fix that problem? It's still an issue. This is an issue still here. Why? Okay, the problem has been resolved. Here's how I did it, in case anybody comes across this. I went up here, went all the way to the top, selected this and moved this over. Back one. Move it back one. Go down. Move this. Back one. Go back into build mode. This is. So now it's feeding up. It's showing that it's feeding up. This one is showing that it's feeding up. So it's working perfect now. So now after you do that, you could go back upstairs, inventory that. Move this back over. Move back up. Move this back over. Move that back. So those are aligned. And they should all be feeding the way you test it. See, it's moving up. So that was the fix. Now, why we have to do that? To get this direction of pointing the right way. Once this direction is pointing the right way, problem is solved. And I think that's what happened the first time. We got it pointing the right way. But then, once the building was placed, it went back to its bad habits. And call it anything else. So that's fixed. So, servers working, LatN working. We're going to go all the way here. And we're going to work on the parking lot. Back to build mode. Go here. Eliminate this. I wonder how many times I've done that. Okay. On the 0 floor, ground floor, we're going to grab a road 2 away. We're going to go in here and build to the parking elevator. Drop it in there. We're going to grab a build road. Go up. Going to go up. And if you go up with the E key, it'll go up to the next level. Skip the intermediate levels. We did that again so we can go back down to the main floor. Over here to the left is a road that feeds off. See this road which feeds off? That's a perfect road. for you to place your ramp. Directional. Change the directional on the ramp with a period. 1, 2. Go up 1. That's where your next one goes. Then you can get rid of that. Grab the road. Place that road. Come over here. One up. Place that road. Roads have been placed. Next is to place your parking. Parking. Place parking here. It won't place parking if it's ramp this. You don't have to worry about that. Back down here. Parking. With your parking selected, go down 1. It will not allow you to place where you're not supposed to. You don't have to worry about. Don't worry about all those errors that you show us because there was nothing. And what I like to do is just put the entrance. Let's do it that way, make it look nice. Should have enough parking. Grab the next road, go upstairs. Straight down to the elevator. So elevator one. FYI, elevators, once you place them, let's go down to the next floor. This elevator should not stop on this floor. This elevator should not stop on this floor. If you do that, prevent the elevator from stopping in the floors where there is no elevator, there is no ramp. There is no need for anybody to go there, so they will not stop on that floor. You do that in the main building too. Sometimes I use high-speed elevators to the top floors. That's the way you use them. That's the way you place them. That's why you watch these videos, because you learn. My job is to play, have fun, and teach. Your job is to watch, enjoy, and learn. So that's your parking. The blueprint of a parking that's not allowed. Possible in the game. It's just a fixing. Now, my suggestion, what I do is whenever I build roads, protect your grass. It's simple to protect your grass. With this building a fence around it. I'm going to teach you a little trick. Select these two, merge them. Select this one and this one. You don't want a fence? Not a problem. No fence. Nobody's going to walk on that. Here. Goes specific sometimes. The road can be fickle. And here, the road, this, let's make it a little darker. And if you build fences in the upper floors, you could always change flooring on the lower floors and leave it green. Looks better green. And that's it. Like I said, these elevators, you make them stop on every other floor. Normally what I do, go between floors, like go to the first floor. This one doesn't stop on the first floor. Do odd even floors on the elevators, which is what I normally do in my building. Gets people up and down quicker. Let's go off of here. Temperature regulator. This thing is still giving me this? Oh, that's because I haven't done past today. Over to the next thing. Somebody selling more shares. I'm not buying. Notice that these subs nowadays, they cost you more than they're worth. And we're gonna basically move over here to the left. And if we're lucky, we could get a sneak peek of a delivery pickup. keypad. You want to get rid of that. The pointer. 2 goes too fast. Here we go. That's the delivery pickup, and there should be another one following this one. 0 will stop it. Zero on the keyboard will stop it. 1 forward, 2 fast, 1 slow, 2 fast, 1 slow, 2 fast, 1 slow. There's another delivery pickup. And I love the new style of helicopters. A whole lot better than the old style. So that's it. I think we covered everything on this place. How to place inventory. Great. Connect your servers, upgrade your servers, create your parking environment or spaces. On the widget, sorry I didn't have this ready for you before you placed. You had to go through the difficulties, but we have it now. Going forward, we know what to do. Hope everybody's staying safe. LatN out.